All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me their industrial glass pendant lighting 3-pack for an unboxing. So you can kind of see what this product will look like once it's out of the box. It is fragile, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top, fragile on the side, fragile on this side, and the same picture there. So let's open it on up. What do we got? So more tape and foam, that's always fun. That's it for the box. That was much easier than the last one I dealt with. All right, so we've got, looks like 4 little spots to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, there we go. So this is a lot neater of packaging. Looks like we have each of the light fixtures here in glass. Very nice. Number 2, number 3. Then this looks to be all of your things for tying your wires and some screws, as well as a complete detailed instruction guide of exactly the installation process and all of that. And lastly down in here is of course 1, 2, 3 of these, and that's it for the box. So these are all identical. I'm just going to show you this one just so you get an idea. And so you can see that down here is where your bulb would go. This would hang from your ceiling, and this is the bracket and everything that you would mount to your ceiling with the wiring to be able to hold this up. You'd mount this to your ceiling, let it hang, so it looks like you would put your bulb in to hold these on. So that's how that would work. But that's essentially everything that comes in here. Each one of these will have the same plate with the screws and everything, the ground wire, the 2 wires, etc. And anything else you need should be in this. So there we go. That'll do it for this 3-pack of industrial glass pendant lighting. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.